In this video, we will cover current affair of 2nd of August. So let's start. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated upstream carriage of Mahatma Gandhi Bridge in Bihar recently. The Mahatma Gandhi Bridge was built over which river? So it is built over River Ganga. Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar released a booklet on best practices in Digital India Land Record Modernization Program prepared by Department of Land Resources. The Department of Land Resources functions under Ministry of Rural Development. Name the ministry which launched a program under Gramodyog Vikas Yojana to benefit artisans manufacturing agarbatti. So it comes under Ministry of MSME. Who launched India Report Digital Education June 2020 prepared by Department of School Education and Literacy? So it is launched by Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Name the Andhra Pradesh governor who gave his nod to 3 state capital bills and CRDA repeals bill 2020 recently. So the governor of Andhra Pradesh is Biswa Bhushan Harichandan. The Maharashtra government approved the Maharashtra Agri-Business Network project worth about rupees 1000 crore, which among the following bank will provide 70% fund to the project. So for Maharashtra Agri-Business project, ADB will provide, that is Asian Development Bank will provide 70% of fund to the project. India tied up with which country for 5 new medicinal research project worth 8 million pound? So this pound indicates the answer. So it is United Kingdom. Which state government launched Ek Mask Anek Zindagi, One Mask Many Lives public awareness campaign recently? So this campaign is launched by Madhya Pradesh. Pawan Hans Limited launched helicopter service in which state recently under Udan scheme? So it is launched at Uttarakhand. Which state or union territory ranked top in terms of performance in Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana second as per Union Minister Jiten Singh? So the answer is Himachal Pradesh. Find the ministry which receives Scotch Gold Award in Digital India category for empowerment of tribals through IT enabled scholarship scheme in 66th edition. So the ministry is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Which state government has received Scotch Gold Award for blockchain based property registration project? So the answer is Telangana. Which state government has got Scotch Platinum Award in Digital India category in 66th edition? So answer is West Bengal. Name the country which collaborates with India to develop rapid testing for COVID-19 in under 30 seconds. So the country name is Israel. Israel will collaborate with India to develop rapid testing for COVID-19 in under 30 seconds. Haryana Forest Department used drone for aerial seeding to increase green cover in Aravallis recently. Which IIT designed the seeding drone? So it is designed by IIT Kanpur. Footballer Benedict Hodges, who announced retirement recently, belong to which country? So the footballer Benedict Hodges belongs to Germany. Who authored the book titled Green Lights? So this book is written by Matthew McConaughey. Sa Cadence Swami who passed away recently is renowned writer. Parvez Khan, who passed away in July 2020, is a renowned. So Parvez Khan was a renowned action director. Who has launched Credi Awas app? Credi Awas app and Narrateco online portal housingforall.com recently. So this app is launched by okay, we will see the answer. First let's move to the next question. We will see the answer after few minutes. Which country commercialized world largest single solar power project? So the country is UAE. Which is the highest peak in Aravalli range? So the highest peak of Aravalli range is Guru Shikhar. Khadi and Village Industries Commission functions under which ministry? So Khadi and Village Industry Commission functions under MSME, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Who is the present Minister of Tribal Affairs in India? So the Tribal Affair Minister is Arjun Munda. Beidou is the navigation satellite system of which country? So it is of China. Banerghatta Biological Park is located in which state? So Banerghatta is located at Karnataka. Buri Gandak River, which is in news recently, located in which state? So it is located at Bihar. So we will see the answer of this question. I think the answer is Hardeep Singh Puri. So yes, answer is Hardeep Singh Puri. I have checked the answer. Answer is Hardeep Singh Puri. So that's it for this video.